Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
The next entry is creation of PO from PR. Automatically. What are the things we need to do? This is the same configurations we need to maintain for this one as well. Now we need to see there is a 3 transactions, MEFIF1, and MEFIF9. There is a 3 transactions we are using to check the order. Let's see if some guy is real or something. Now what we need is a document. Type is NZR document category. They screwed up entire system. Now what I'll do, I'll go to many 50 cent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the partial order. Just click on Unassign Requisitions Partially Added and click on Execute. Come to here. Select. Click on Execute. The assignment is already done. Next, we need to convert like a slash and MEF59. Here, if you have the purchase information, you will maintain. Otherwise, you can add this one. Click on it. See now automatically, like once you create the one you always created, like a 51, 57 and 59. If 57 is not working directly, you go and design vendor in the purchase equation. That automatically will create the process and then make it as a convert. Like the purchase order can be, purchase equation can become into purchase order. This is about how it can be happen further, like purchase order creation. Now we'll see one more scenario. There is an initial inventory. Initial inventory. There is a moment I've called as a 5 is 61. Generally, when we use this initial inventory, for example, if you don't have any stock in your system, you want to add the stock. How you like? Add the stock through GOR. The moment if I 61. Just keep on material on. It is 1. And plan. And click on chip. The pattern is not required. Directly, we are adding stock. Click on check. B say is not there. Again, this is the error. Then you need to go to OBYC. What is the error? Again, you need to check the stock. Every moment, like see how it is a tool. For every moment of the stock, you need to check. Like what is a stock, updates, and all those things. Click on post. Then once it is done, just go to /NMBE. You know /NMBE generally will check for the stock of the material and click on afford and click on execute and see that the stock is increasing. Initially it is a total and it is a and on order stock is like incoming stock. This is like whatever the people's to create. Now you will see, and for this tracking also, you can check like you select that one, click on the environment. And material moments, then you can see. Initially we'll get a 10 when 1. There is a total moment of stock. Thanks. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.